Hey everyone, you are watching Flutter with Alan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what are constructors in Dart. In this video, we just go through what are getters and setters in Dart. So initially, I like to define class at here, and I'll be just giving the class name as mathematics. After, I would like to define void main function at here and open the braces at here. Instead of the class at here, I would like to perform or I would like to perform the two things, numerator and denominator. It will just by dividing. Okay, by dividing operation, I would like to perform it here. So what I need to do it here. Initially, I would like to define these are the two integer type of values. So I'll be just using the int data type at here. Numerator is equal to, I'll be just setting a value instead of the class 0. And I'll be just setting denominator at here. These are the two values I will be just initialized. Okay. So after, I would like to perform these are the two things by using an operation. So what I use or what I am doing at here, just using a print function. Okay, just using a void function to print the operation. So I'll be just using void, and I'll be just giving a name as function print. Okay, function print, I'll be just setting a name at there and open the braces. Instead of the braces, what was the actual operation I would like to perform? That's the operation performed by using the print function at here. And by using the double quote marks, I'll be just setting $2 symbols at here. Why am I using these $2 symbols? In Dart programming language, two values we have to be printing by using the print function. Instead of this, just like this manner or this syntax will actually only be working. Okay, so I'll be just setting a numerator divided by, after the dollar symbol, I'll be setting denominator at here. Yeah, perfect. Instead of the void main function, these are the two values I would like to print, or I would like to get and set. So I'll be just writing first initially a class object initialization or instance I'll be creating it here. So how can we create a new instance or object? In the previous video, I already told how can we create an object or instance of the class. So by using a class name, what was the actual class name I'll be written at here above? Mathematics, isn't it? So I'll be just setting mathematics, and new object name we are writing it here. Maths is equal to new mathematics. I'll be just write. Okay, perfect. After this, here we have our core topic will running. Okay, so first I'll be just setting two values inside of the, I'll be just initialized the above variables instead of the class mathematics. Okay, so I'll be just setting two values instead of the two variables. So firstly, by using the object name, what was the actual object name I have been given at here? Maths, isn't it? So I'll be just write maths dot. First, I'll be setting a value instead of the numerator. So I'll be just writing numerator at here is equal to, I would like to give 10 value at here. Okay, as your wish, you have to give any type of values instead of, or any type of setting values instead of here. Okay, so at here, I'll be just set some values. So it is called setters. Okay, in Dart, there will be two things, setters and getters. These are the core concepts or core things in our Dart. Okay, then I'll be just setting denominator value also. So by using the object name maths dot denominator is equal to, I would like to give 5 at there. Okay, this is also called setter. I'll be just setting some values inside of numerator and denominator. That's called setters. After this, we have to print or we have to visualize in our console. Just check it out. Our console will show something or not. Okay. Nothing will show. Why? Because we have to print, then it only print inside of the CLI. It will actually printing some values inside at here. Okay, so I need to print at here. So how I print? By using the print function inside of the maths Maths is the object name. Okay. Numerator I will be giving at here, put a semicolon. And I'll be just changing to denominator. And I'll be running my code here. What was the actual thing is appeared at here? We have to check it out. Yeah, 10 and 5 is actually printed at here. Okay, I'll be just some values. 10 and 5 is just printed. This is called setters. Okay, next we are just looking to getters. These are the two values I will be just set, and I want to get these are the values. How can I get these are the two values? By I'll be just created at above a print function. Instead of the print function, I performed some operation, that which means I'll be just setting first value divided by second value. That's the thing just printing in our console. So how can I do? Just write what was the actual object name of our class. I'll be written above maths. Okay, maths dot, and what was the actual function I'll be written at above function print. So that's the same thing we are just writing at here, and put a semicolon, and I'll be running a code at here. It will print 10, 5, 10 by 5. I'll be just getting some values. Where I'll be getting some values first, I'll be set two values 10 and 5 and perform this function operation to get some values. I'll be just before set the two values I'll be just getting. That's the thing is just printed at here. Okay, this is called getters and setters. In the upcoming videos we are just going through the getters and setters, how to customize. Okay, this is the basic of getters and setters. I hope you understand it well. If you have any queries or doubts, please feel free to ask to our comment section. See you on next video. Keep coding, take care, and bye.